Hi guys, welcome to Tool Optics. In this video we're going to have a look at the AEG 18 volt brushless angle grinder. This angle grinder is part of AEG's cordless battery-powered tool range, and all the 18 volt batteries fit it. In this case I've got the 6 amp hour battery on the back here, but you can put anything from a 2 amp hour to a 9 amp hour battery on the end, depending on the weight, depending on how long you want to use the tool. It's pretty much a standard angle grinder. One of the features of this is that you can screw in the handle on the right hand side, on the top, and on the left hand side. It also has a guard that click this in here, and you can basically turn the guard so that you can get any kind of angle onto your any cutting angle that you want, and you can turn this around. It comes with a plastic cover as well, which you just need to lift that up there and pull the plastic cover off. I'm not sure how long this is going to last. This guard over here is metal. That's pretty much the same as my corded angle grinder, and that should last forever. This is just an extra protection that kind of clips on the bottom, stops anything kind of getting into the blade area there. One of the things that I'm not a fan of in this tool is the on-off switch, which is kind of like one of these slide up ones that you click on and you press it to click it down. I would prefer to have a trigger over here. Basically you can buy the Fusion, the AEG Fusion angle grinder, for around about $30 more. To me that's a much better investment because you get the trigger switch over here. You don't have this switch where you've got to kind of turn it on and then get your angle grinder into place. When you finish, click it off again. I think it's safer to have a little switch over here which your hand can just let go, connect and release as you're using the tool. But having said that, it's a really good angle grinder for the price. I think it's very reasonable, gets the job done. If you're going to be doing heavy work and a lot of work, I would recommend probably spending a bit more money, getting yourself a more heavy duty angle grinder. But if you're a DIYer or you're renovating your home, this angle grinder is real value for money. It's going to get the job done for you.